Okay, greetings, fellow motorized bike enthusiasts. This is the unboxing of the Kent Bayside $100 Walmart bicycle, which I'm gonna start my new motorized bike project. It's basic. It's got a sturdy steel frame, and for what we need, it's perfect. Here I have my wheel touring station and the wheel setup. So we'll start making this into a motorized bicycle. Okay, now the reason I use these 4-liter gas tanks is because I can add some wooden fins right under the gas tank, and it sort of blends in and looks more like like a less of a bolt-on and more of a motorized bicycle. I'll also add some fins here, and the seat I'll curve right around here, sort of a Suzuki style. The last bike I made was a chopper style. So these handlebars will come probably straight out to the sides. Probably have a short curve to them. I may be able to use some BMX handlebars if I curve them a little bit. I'll add some lights here and maybe some venting to cool the motor. This back fender I'll just add some support. Also under the engine I'm gonna add some wooden blocking to sort of conceal the bolt-on look. And there's always this cavity right around here, so I'll fill it in with some sort of blocking, triangle shaped, sort of slope it, try to match the lines and the curvature of the frame and the gas tank. Okay, so this is the seat. This is my first idea for the seat. This is sort of the shape that I'm looking for. Sort of, like a motorcycle shaped, long, more narrow, sleeker. And I'm thinking right about here, but we'll see how it goes. But this is more or less the shape of it. Now I'm just using plywood blocks, and I'm just gonna nail them together, and then shape them. I'll use padding and then some faux leather covering. Sort of make my own custom seat. So yeah. Here we go. See, I'm thinking this is where it should go, but of course I never know until I sit on it and see where it's comfortable at. It's sort of a new design. I've never really done this, but I'm thinking to curve it upwards this way. Add this block here, to keep your rear end from slipping off the back when you're going open throttle. And right about here, however, I want to add some springs to this seat because the last one didn't have any springs and I noticed the difference. So maybe under here somewhere I'll add some springs, maybe connected to the frame.